how to use Trae AI. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can use Trae AI. So let's dive in. So once you've installed and opened Trae AI, using it is actually really simple. Right when you launch the program, you'll see a clean coding interface that looks like a modern IDE. From here, you can either start a new project or open an existing code file. Tree supports multiple programming languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and more. Now, what makes Tree AI different is its built-in AI assistant. On the right-hand side or bottom panel, you'll see an input box where you can type questions or instructions. For example, you can type something like, write a function to sort a list in Python, and the AI will instantly generate the code for you. You can also highlight your existing code and ask the AI to explain this or optimize this function, and it'll respond with helpful suggestions or improvements. If you run into bugs or errors, you can paste the error message into the AI box and ask, what does this error mean? And the AI will break it down and even suggest a fix. For front-end projects, there's also a web preview mode where you can see what your code looks like live, right inside the editor. Another cool feature is that you can ask the AI to generate full templates or boilerplate code. So instead of writing everything from scratch, you can just prompt it and then customize the code it gives you. In short, Tree AI is like having a coding partner right inside your editor. It helps you write, fix, understand, and improve your code all in real time. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.